Hello guys, welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these amazing and tasty milk popsicles. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On a medium large pot, you will add 3 cups of milk, which is approximately to 750 milliliter of milk. Then add 1 cup of milk powder, which is approximately to 225 grams. Add a bit by a bit while mixing. Followed by a half cup of sweet condensed milk, which is approximately to 100 milliliter. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a bit of cardamom and keep on stirring because the condensed milk will stick at the bottom. In a small bowl, add 3 tablespoons of corn flour plus water and mix it into a fine smooth consistency. Your mixture has to look like this. Then pour the mixture into the milk and mix it very well. Then lastly, add a quarter or a half cup of sugar according to the sweetness you want and stir for at least 1 to 2 minutes and your milk is ready. Then pour it in a separate jug. Then I divided the milk into 3 to have different colors of popsicles, but if you don't want, you don't have to do this step. And I added a pinch of food coloring. I used orange and red and mix it very well. Then pour into the ice molds or plastic bags and freeze it for about 8 hours. And after some hours, your milk popsicles are ready and enjoy your tasty milk popsicles. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make these types of popsicles, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.